All right, everybody, so today I'm going to show you why you need splash guards on your gutters. Have kind of a light rain going on right now, but as you can see, with that much surface area on a roof, a lot of water is collected. So I have 7 downspouts currently off my house pouring this amount of water. So that's a pretty decent amount of volume. It's more volume than you would think for just such a light rain. But the reason you need splash guards is simply this. Check out this trench that this gutter had dug prior. That's from the force of the water coming down and gravity accelerating the water and causing it to dig a trench. Therefore, leaving you with a problem much similar to what made you get gutters in the first place, as you can see the trenching there along the edge. You need splash guards, and I need to fill this in. I'm going to show you a better one here in just a second, but see these splash guards, how they're textured? They slow the water down. Not to mention, as opposed to having more volume focusing on one piece of one small amount of surface area, it spreads it out and slows everything down and helps everything able to drain faster and spreads that amount of water that needs to be drained over a larger amount of area. Over here is a better example. This one is almost slightly uphill. Well, not actually, it's more level than downhill, sorry. A little bit is collecting back here. And with this splash guard, it really depletes that force of the water coming down off of the roof and slows everything down and allows it to flow right here. And it also evaporates really quick because there's very little water left in it. You don't want it to be sitting up like that and the water pooling there at the back. That'll cause mosquitoes and other problems in the future. But anyway, splash guards or splash pads are something that you really, really need for your gutter system. As you can see, I have to raise this one up. I got caught in the middle of rain while mowing grass right now, and that's when I decided it was a good time to make this video. But splash pads, go ahead and get you some for your new set of gutters.